This is the news that directors will be dreading. Netflix is letting users control the playback speed of their content. Netflix has been testing the feature since 2019, but is now officially rolling it out on Android devices first, before adding it to the iOS app and web browsers. This feature will allow people to watch Netflix slowed down at either half speed or 0.75x, or sped up at 1.25x or 1.5x, which is the fastest setting. These settings won't be saved, so you'll need to select it each time for every title you watch. If you have Netflix on an Android device, you can access these settings by tapping the screen when a title is playing, and then tapping the speed control feature in the bottom menu. On the official press release, Netflix states, "We've decided to press ahead for several reasons. Similar functionality has been available on DVD players and DVRs for years, and the feature has been much requested by members. Most important of all, our tests show that consumers value the flexibility it provides, whether it's rewatching their favorite scene or slowing things down because they're watching with subtitles or have hearing difficulties." The National Association of the Deaf and the National Federation of the Blind have both welcomed this feature. People who are deaf and have difficulty reading appreciate the option of slowing down the captioning, and people who are hard of hearing value the ability to listen at slower speeds, while many individuals who are vision impaired are used to listening to digital audio much faster, for example with screen readers. Many directors or content creators may not be happy with this setting because it can be viewed in a way the director didn't intend. What are your views on this? Let me know in the comments. For me, it's a feature I don't see myself using. However, I'm surprised that Netflix haven't rolled this out earlier. Now, I listen to audiobooks and podcasts in my car, and I often increase the playback speed to 1.25 or 1.5 times depending on the speaker. 2x is usually too fast for me and it sounds horrible. So I fully appreciate and utilize this feature on other services. I also use it on YouTube for some videos or tutorials if I feel like the speaker is too slow or I want to gather the information quicker. I do this for the Joe Rogan podcast. I don't have 3 hours to listen to the whole thing, so I might speed it up and listen to it in the background while I'm working on something else on my laptop. People have also told me that I speak too fast, so if that's the case, I encourage people to slow down the YouTube videos for my tutorials. For the record, most of the feedback I get is that they like the pace of my tutorials and my videos. But when it comes to Netflix, for me, that's entertainment. I'm not looking to speed up or slow down the process. I might try it, but I'll usually watch it at the normal speed. However, I like to have the option. A chef wouldn't tell you how to eat his food. Why should a director tell you how to watch his film? If I want to put tomato ketchup on my steak instead of béarnaise sauce, then I should be free to do it. I'm not saying I do that, but it's nice to have the choice. If Netflix release any stats about its usage, I'll be surprised if it's more than 10% of the subscribers using this playback feature. I think it will have a low usage, but it is useful for those with accessibility needs. In the press release, Netflix further adds, "We've been sensitive to creator concerns and haven't included bigger screens, in particular TVs. We've also automatically corrected the pitch in the audio at faster and slower speeds. In addition, members must choose to vary the speed each time they watch something new, versus Netflix maintaining their settings based on their last choice." Let me know what you think in the comments. Will you use it? Do you want to watch Netflix faster or slower? Would love to hear your feedback. If you like this type of video, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.